Okay, testing 1 2 1 2 3 testing. Welcome once again back to Tech Tools and Hacks. All right, this is a new experiment I'm doing. It might be considered part 3 of the microphone hack, the Behringer XM8500 for the handling noise. Let's verify how that went. Oh yeah. The difference is I took the foam, the acoustically transparent foam. Remember that I believe it was 2.5 by 4 inches or 2 by 4.5 inches, and I stuffed some more. The size was basically the average of 1.25 by 4.5 inches, and this upper part right here, was missing some of the insulation. Oh, actually, this transparent, the acoustic foam, right here. Once I shoved the other one in down, inward. So there it is. Unless it gets stuck to your fingers, there's a lot of mic reduction. I might pause this video and place the other microphone I have there just to verify resonance. Oh yeah, it feels solid. It listens. Listen to this. It hears solid. It doesn't have that like an echoey sound. And this, of course, for the nervous people. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video and make a change. Of course, that noise, it is what it is. All right, let's resume. Here's the other mic. And let's give this guy a test again. All right, let me turn off the volume on this thing. Okay, volume back on. Then again, this one has the foam inserted as well. The only difference is that at the end of the capsule, right here, remember that I showed you in part 2, that a white foam, I place a quarter size foam back there. This one has it, and this other fella here, I removed it. Because for some reason it sounded like if a person was talking inside a metal can, a tin can. So yeah, it sounds more hollow. Okay, I'm gonna do that change again. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this one sounds solid. So hopefully the pickup for the handling noise is less. I guess I'll verify that in post. And if this did work, then this video is, of course, going to be seeing it on YouTube. If it didn't, it won't be YouTube. So if you liked this video, please thumbs up. If you didn't, you know what to do. I appreciate your visit here for Tech Tools and Hacks. And this is your host, Hobby Tech. Thank you. Have a good one.